Ooh, that's why I'm easy. This is the easy way to play Easy by Lionel Richie so that you can sing along. The first thing you're going to play is this. An A flat chord going to a C minor 7 down to a B flat minor chord to E flat chord. Now these are the only chords for most of the song, so it's really important that you play it with a lot of feel. Now once we get to the end of the chorus, there's a little extra bit that we go to the A flat. Now the very last part you need to learn is the bridge, which goes to the G flat major chord to an E flat minor 7 to an A flat sus. So you do that 3 times. E flat minor 7, A flat sus. One more time through those 3 chords. This is where it gets a bit funky. Right here to there. 2 more chords. This one, and then finally that one. So if you can learn those 3 parts, you can actually play the entire song, and I'm going to show you how. I know it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. You see, I begged, stole, and I borrowed. Yeah. Ooh, that's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. I wanna be high, so high. I wanna be free to know the things I do are right. I wanna be free, just me. That's why I'm easy. Alright. I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning.